In today's video, I'll show you Zootopia characters in real life. Take your time and enjoy it. Nick White the fox, who nearly always has a sly smile. Officer Clawhauser is a male cheetah. Gideon Gray used to be a mean and rude child, but when he grows up, he appears to be kind and respectful. What about Mrs. Otterton? She's a river otter. Chief Bogle is a buffalo in the real world. Mr. Big, the most feared crime boss in Tundra Town, is an Arctic shrew. Officer Markhorn is definitely a rhinoceros. You see, all characters in Zootopia are personified animals. They live and work in a metropolis. They have typical personalities and varied relationships. The next character is Gazelle. She's a super charming music star. Lionheart, the mayor of Zootopia, is a noble and inspiring leader. Miss Bellwether in real life is the white sheep. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see a lot more cartoon characters in real life, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.